The Fesley FLP400 39-inch electric guitar kit pairs a contoured poplar solid body with a matte vintage-style finish that looks sharp and feels comfortable for long practice sessions. Its solid mahogany neck with a modern D-shaped profile and smooth purpleheart fingerboard offers easy, fast playability that suits both beginners and more advanced players. A scale length close to the classic single-cut standard, combined with a well-cut nut and 22 jumbo frets, keeps intonation reliable and makes moving around the neck feel natural. The dual humbucker pickups deliver a warm, punchy sound with enough clarity for clean tones and plenty of bite for rock and heavier styles. With a three-way selector and separate volume and tone controls, the guitar offers flexible shaping of your sound without feeling complicated. The bundle includes a padded gig bag, strap, cable, picks, and even a fret polishing block, so a new player can start learning immediately without hunting for extra accessories.